Assalamualaikum and everyone. My name is Awatif Auni binti Zamri. My student ID is 2020877466.
Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Fatin Izzatul Husna binti Hasmawi. My student ID is 2020469648. My group is CS1435P.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Auna Nasyirah binti Ahmad Nizar and I'm from CS1435P. And my student ID 2020606656.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Sharifah Azwaliza binti Syed Ariffin from CS1435P. My ID number is 2020627418.
For our group, we choose the law of cooling from chapter 3. Newton's law of cooling or warming states that the rate of change of the temperature of a body is proportional to the difference between the body temperature and the surrounding temperature. This method has long been used in all death investigations to determine the exact time of death by analyzing the corpse temperature. This law frequently adds the requirement that the temperature differential is modest and the substance of the heat transfer mechanism remains constant.
Okay, next I will explain to you about the formulation of module and method of solutions. The method of solution we used in this project was to discuss a child passed away by using Newton's law of cooling. This method relates the rates of temperature change to the temperature difference between child as well as its surroundings. We can calculate how quickly a substance at a given temperature will cool in any given environment by using Newton's law of cooling. The formula that we will use is dt over dt equal k times T minus Tm, where T is time, Tt is the temperature of the object of interest as a function of time, Tm is surrounding temperature, T naught is inertial temperature, and K is proportionality constant specific to the object of interest.
We move on to the question. The body of a murdered child with a temperature of 26 degrees Celsius was found at night at 11 p.m. The body's temperature was 24 degrees Celsius 2 hours later. Assuming that the surrounding temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, if the victim's usual body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, determine when he passed away. For the solution, firstly, we find the temperature surrounding Tm. For this case, Tm is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. Temperature initial is equal to 26 degrees Celsius and temperature after 2 hours is 24 degrees Celsius. After separating the variables and integrating both sides of the equation, our general solution is AE in the power of KT plus 20. As our initial temperature is equal to 26, we can find the A value. So, A is equal to 6. Next, as our temperature after 2 hours is 24, we can find the K value. We found that K is equal to negative 0.2027. So, we can write our general solution which is TT equal to 6E in the power of negative 0.2027T plus 20. At the time of death, the temperature of the body is 37 degrees Celsius. Therefore, TT is equal to 37 degrees Celsius. So, we calculate the general solution equal to 37 to get the time of the death. After the calculation, we get time is negative 5.1379. The negative sign indicates that the body died 5.1379 hours or 9 hours and 8 minutes before 11 p.m. on the same day. Therefore, the child died at about 5:52 p.m.
The human body changes biologically, physically, and chemically after death. When its body temperature drops, a condition called algomosis, sometimes known as death cold, follows. Forensic investigators frequently use the simple technique of measuring body temperature to determine whether a person has passed away. Cuts and wounds from a deceased person can be used to measure body temperature if a thermometer is attached.